Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Chatgpt app or web chat and sign into your account. Tap or click your profile, then go to Settings to continue. In Settings, look for Data Controls or Uploaded Files to manage content. You will see images attached to recent conversations and a separate Uploaded Files list if available. Note that images inside a conversation appear with the message thread. Use these locations to find any photo you previously uploaded for removal. Open the specific conversation that contains the uploaded photo you want to remove. Tap the image to open its options, then choose Delete Image or Remove from Conversation. Confirm the deletion when the prompt appears to complete removal from that thread. Deleting the message removes the photo from the chat thread and any preview in the list. Repeat this process for each conversation where the photo appears to ensure it is no longer visible. Go to Settings, then Data Controls to review retained data and uploaded files. Use the provided options to delete uploaded files or clear specific conversation history where photos appeared. If you need broader removal, request account data deletion or contact support for assistance. Account deletion removes your account and typically erases uploaded photos and associated records according to the service policy. Always download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.